Welcome to Crypto Millionaire Academy. Thank you for following the channel. Today's video is going to be a price prediction on Dexcheck AI. Dexcheck AI. We're going to do a quick price prediction and overview. This product is currently listed on CoinMarketCap. It is currently 5/10 of a penny. Market cap is $4 million. Volume is $1 million. Total supply of tokens is 1 billion tokens. 960 million are circulating. The coin symbol is DCK. You can find this coin on a lot of different markets. Most of the volume is on Blofin, Gate, and MEX. 70% of the volume is on Blofin. Also, if you go to the website, you can see Dex AI here. If you go to DCK token, you can buy it. It'll have the pairings here where you can buy it. PancakeSwap, KuCoin, Gate, MEX, XC, HTX, BingX, and Bitmark are all places where you can buy the DCK token. So what is this coin? Like, what is it about? What is it about, and why is it getting a lot of attention, right? So DCK is the native token of the Dexcheck ecosystem, powering a tokenized economy for purpose-built data analytics, DeFi, and InfoFi tools. The Dexcheck system is a suite of advanced tools built on a robust central engine and AI technology. Dexcheck features precise and accurate tools for qualitative investment strategies. InfoFi tools on the Dexcheck platform possess social intelligence for crypto investment. InfoFi tools on the platform include the KOL tracker, KOL performance index, reps, and attention index. Dexcheck's flagship DeFi tool, DExplore, is an AI-powered blockchain explorer developed for high performance and trained on quality on-chain and off-chain data. It generates inferences for advanced prompts in a sub 10 seconds. So that's all the Dexcheck does. It also it unlocks actionable trading insights through AI-powered information aggregation, building high-performance Web3 apps with enterprise-grade blockchain data AIPs. So where do we see this product going? You get the token and market dashboard, smart money tracking, Whales Insight, uncover early opportunities by following crypto whale real-time activities. So it's a trading app. It allows you to get insights into where to trade, how to make money. It's going to give you a terminal, a leading board of traders. You can access and analyze trade access across 26 different blockchain networks. So yeah, it's going to allow you to a full suite of qualitative investment strategy platform while promoting mutual benefits for holders. So it basically, you can, with the token, you can stake the token to earn additional rewards in DCK based on your locked duration while supporting network security. You can stake DCK to increase your rewards on the Rep social rewards platform. And the DCK token is the main currency for paying the Dexcheck's proprietary APIs, enabling real-time analytics and data integration. And the DCK tokens will also give you access to premium tools, advanced analytics, and exclusive pro features. So that's why you would buy the DCK token, right? That's why you would buy the token to get those additional features. And you can click here to launch the app. You're in the Dexcheck app. And in the app, it's giving you like total mentions, KOL mentions, top tweets of, for the token. It's giving you all, this is the attention index. So it has all of these different volumes, meme terminals coming, AI search engine coming soon. Just giving you, all of these things so you can see what's going on in the crypto world. And these insights can help you with trading. So what's the price today? 0005. By the end of the year, this could be 1 cent. This could be 1 cent by the end of the year. Our 2005 prediction is for this coin to be 1 cent, which would be double in market cap. Currently, it's 4 million market cap. So this is predicting an 8 million market cap for Dexcheck AI. Once again, we're predicting an 8 million market cap and a 1 cent, 1 cent outcome for Dexcheck AI. Okay. Don't forget to join. Crypto Millionaire Academy to get these insights early. I have trading signals, and I have the next big crypto report, the next big 100x crypto report. If you're looking for 100x crypto, we have that report for you every month, and in our trading group at cryptomillion.co. Join us there. Thank you guys for following the channel. Have a great day. Appreciate you. Like the video also. That helps us out a lot too. Please like the video. Thank you guys. Or subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you guys.